Hi friends, today I am going to talk about present continuous tense. In this video, you will get of definition, uses and statement of present continuous tense. Let us try to understand the definition of present continuous tense. The tense which is used to indicate an action which is going on at the time of present is called present continuous tense. Which is going on means it is continuous form. The structure of present continuous tense: subject plus am, is, are plus V1 plus ing form plus object. Here, am, is, are helping verbs. For example, she is singing a song. In this sentence, she is subject, is helping verb, sing is V1 plus ing form, a song is object. And another example, I am doing my homework. They are going to movie. My daughter is not studying well. In present continuous tense, the first person singular I used am. Plurals we, you, they are used are. Third person singular he, she, it used is. Now let's look at the uses of present continuous tense. The first one, for an action going on at the time of speaking. Things that are happening now. For example, she is dancing now. The boys are playing hockey. The second one, temporary events. For a temporary action which may not be actually happening at the time of speaking. For example, I am reading little girl, but I am not reading at this moment. In this time, we use present continuous tense. And third one, future plans. For an action that has already been arranged to take place in the near future. For example, my uncle is arriving tomorrow. I am going to the cinema tonight. And the fourth one, a new pattern or habit. The tense can be used to highlight the contrast between the old and new. For example, these days people are writing emails a lot less than they used to few years ago. It can also be used to describe a regular habit that someone has, whether it is a good habit or a bad one. For example, you are always running late with all your deadlines. Let us try to understand these verbs are not used in the continuous forms. The first one, verbs of emotions. For example, want, wish, desire, feel, like, love, hate, hope, refuse, prefer. And second one, verbs of thinking. For example, think, suppose, believe, agree, consider, trust, remember, forget, know, understand, imagine, mean, and mind. Verbs of perception. For example, see, hear, smell, notice, and recognize. And fourth one, verbs of appearing. For example, appear, look, seem. And fifth one, have, own, possess, belong to, contain, consist of, be, except when used in the passive. Here are some wrong examples. These grapes are tasting sour. I am thinking you are wrong. She is seeming sad. He is having a cell phone. Can you identify the right one? Let's look at the right examples. These grapes taste sour. I think you are wrong. She seems sad. He has a cell phone. However, the verbs listed above can be used in the continuous tenses with a change of meaning. For example, she is tasting the soup to see if it needs more salt. Here, taste means test the flavor of. The another example, I am thinking of going to Delhi. Here, think of means consider the idea of. The other example, they are having lunch. Here, have means eat. Let's look at present continuous tense hints. Look, listen, see, hear, now, at present, at this moment, still, don't disturb, and don't talk. The next one, present continuous tense statements. In present continuous tense, there are four statements. The first one is positive statement, second one is negative statement, third one is interrogative statement, and fourth one is negative interrogative statement. Let us try to understand the first one, positive statement. Structure subject plus am is are plus v1 plus inform plus object. For example, they are writing an exam. And let's look at the second one, negative statement. Negative means not. Structure subject plus am is are plus not plus v1 plus inform plus object. For example, they are not writing an exam. And third one, interrogative statement. Interrogative means asking questions. Structure am, is, are plus subject plus v1 plus inform plus object. For example, are they writing an exam? And fourth one, negative interrogative statement. Structure am, is, are plus not plus subject plus v1 plus inform plus object. For example, aren't they writing an exam? Friends, if you learn this way, definitely you can use each and every sentence in easy manner. For example, positive, negative, interrogative and negative interrogative statements. She is cooking rice now. She is not cooking rice now. Is she cooking rice now? Isn't she cooking rice now? Hi friends, thank you very much. If you have any queries, please comment below the description. Thank you, bye.